Hey guys, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing video today. I've had it for a few months and I've used it quite a bit, so this will also be a short review. I decided to do this video since there aren't many reviews out there for it. Alright, let's get unboxing. So you can probably tell by the size of the box that this is an SLG. I got the zippy wallet in Vernis leather in the Amaranth color, which is a very deep wine burgundy color. It's also pretty shiny. The camera doesn't pick it up that well, but it's very sparkly as well. I like the Vernis leather for wallets, not so much for bags, because for bags I think that's just too much, but to each their own. So I do have the Sarah wallet, the Victorine wallet, and the smaller zippy wallet, also in Vernis leather in the Amaranth color. I didn't want to get a lighter color because I was afraid of color transfer. Vernis leather holds up really well. My other pieces barely have any signs of wear. They still look brand new. It leaves fingerprints somewhat, but you can just easily wipe it off. So this one has 12 card slots, 6 on this side and 6 on the other side. 3 gusseted compartments, 1 zip pocket, and 1 pocket here. You can put bills in there. There is also 1 pocket on this side and 1 pocket on this side. I've had this since December of 2020 and I paid $1,030 US. They're currently out of stock online, but they might be in stock at your local store. So I like that it has separate compartments. You can separate your larger bills from your smaller ones. You can put coins in here if you want. I don't. You can put your bills in here if you wanted. I just put them here and here. You could put receipts or other things in these pockets. So far it's held up really well. There are no signs of wear. Glazing is still intact. There are no scratches or anything. Originally, I got the Sarah wallet because I thought I would be annoyed by having to zip it every time to get into the wallet, but it actually doesn't bother me. It's fine. So it is about 8 inches in length, a little over 4 inches in height, and about almost an inch in width. So that is it. Just a quick unboxing and review video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.